Going back to the book here, what started with the shoot down of a UH-60 with the call sign of EZ-40 on January 20th escalated over the month of February. Eventually, a total of 8 helicopters would be brought down by enemy fire, resulting in the loss of 24 lives between January 20 and February 22nd. Most of these incidents were in or near the Crazy Horse area of operations. To some of us, it appeared that something we had feared for a long time was coming to pass. The AIF, which is anti-Iraqi forces, and the AQI, which is al-Qaeda in Iraq, were beginning to specifically target helicopters with teams trained specifically to shoot them down. Yeah, that's a lot of helos going down. That had to start to give you guys the some nerves while you're flying.